Wowzers. Wowzers. What a move. Look at that candle right there. Absolutely cray. We got the NASDAQ here ripping straight up. Good Lord. Good Lord. What a time to be alive. All right. Push right up there to that pivot point. You got to love that. Right to the pivot point now. My mind. We had the news come out here at 8:30, and well, the market going straight to the moon. What was interesting is I didn't even know about the news, to be honest, but I should have checked, but I got on the computer this morning and I'm like looking at the chart, and look what we have, like this just beautiful bull flag. Somebody knew something before those numbers came out. Bull flagging the breakout straight to the fucking moon there. Absolutely. My 53-inch or 55-inch monitor, the candlesticks was the whole entire monitor. You gotta love when that happens. Gotta love when that happens. Was able to lock in some profit on my Tradeify accounts. Oh, buddy, Tradeify. Right now, Tradeify is currently on sale, 30% off for the straight to funded and 50% off for the other majiggy bajiggy. One thing that I'm really impressed with, actually, I was checking it out last night when I was pulling this up. Very impressed with this right here. The Tradeify journal, right? So it's cool because you can actually set it up. You can set it up so that I think something's not even right here. I think this one's wrong. There we go. Now we right. There we go. So you can set it up so that it basically shows you all of your active funded accounts and shows you exactly, you know, what your net P&L is, what your trade winning percent is, and all that. So right now, if we go down here and we look, so in the last 3 days since we started streaming in the BDH, we're up. We had 11,000 on Friday, 15,000 on Monday, 16,000 on Tuesday. We're trying to stay consistent, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I gotta spend more time kind of going through all this stuff. Right now, we got the trade streak. We got 20 wins, 10 losses, which I think that's still, I don't know if that's right. I don't know. And then you can see my trade percent right now sitting at about 75%. So 75% and up 42,000 trading these Tradeify accounts for the last 3 days. So Brett Simba better get ready. Better get ready with my payout. Better get ready with my payout, boy. I'm coming for that payout, boy. All right. So yeah, that was pretty cool. I'm gonna do a whole video later on talking about this journal and all that stuff, but just to show you guys kind of where we're sitting at right now. And yeah, baby, cool little journal. You can see this too. It like gives you a score. How do I get down there? There it is. Oh, nope. There we go. Like this. My score, 68% score, daily net and all that. So P&L on the rise, starting there on Friday, first day in the BDH, up 11,000, up 26,000, up 42,000. Let's go. We got a special guest in the house today. Little Miss Victoria over there. What's poppin'? The camera is like not at the right angle.
Oh, I don't know why it's.
Oh God!
Jesus, babe.
Oh, God.
Hi, hi.
Hi, hi. Things like that. That's good. A little better. You can also, like, you don't have to sit so close to the computer, but you can.
All right. Well, let's take the camera off me for a second.
Take the camera off you.
Yeah.
It's coming off. Well, we got the I had to put both of the Lambos in the office because they're working on the roof right now. And the other part of the warehouse, the roof is exposed. And I didn't want stuff falling on the Aventador. So it's not Photoshop, I promise you. It's real. We got 2 Lambos. If you think about it, that's like, I don't know. I'd say the STO is worth like 450,000, 450. The Aventador, right around like 300,000. So that's about $750,000 worth of cars sitting behind me. Hey, you know, who am I? Who am I? I don't know. I'm just that guy on the internet, man. Just that guy on the internet. Why is the market pumping? Well, we had news this morning. Late to the live stream, what's the journal app? Well, the journal app is the new, I guess, I don't know if it's new, but Tradeify has their stuff going on there, so. So in my Tradeify accounts, I gotta fix this thing. In my Tradeify accounts right now, you can see I've got these 5 straight to funded accounts. We're up 1,605 accounts. We've passed the threshold in these accounts. So these are 150K accounts currently sitting. It's about what? $60,000 in P&L since starting these accounts last Friday. So these are the straight to funded Tradeify accounts. You buy the account, you go straight into a funded account. No eval, no test or anything like that. You'd basically just, the money that you start making is the money that you're gonna be able to withdraw one day. So locking in some profit there this morning. A big old move here on the NASDAQ. That 15-minute bull flag, absolutely beautiful. It's funny because, like I said, I was kind of looking at the charts and I'm like, hey, look at that big old bull flag. And then the news came out and it went whoop straight to the fucking moon. Like absolutely, this literally straight to the moon there. What a wild time to be alive.
You want to give me one of your Tradeivate accounts to sign into or trading?
What?
Want to give me your Tradeivate account?
You want me to give you my funded account? Hold on.
No.
We'll figure. Hold on a second.
Eval.
Let me see if I got a couple Apex accounts you can trade. I don't know. What do you don't have any accounts right now?
No, I've just been focused on Pyro. I've just been blowing my
gosh,
accounts.
Victoria wants me to give her my funded account. Should I do it?
No,
chat?
don't give me a funded.
Should I do it, chat? Actually, I have some take profit accounts, some evals you could trade.
Perfect.
All right, let me figure that out here. We're just getting started. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. Went live a little early with you guys today, just to talk about this big old boner candle to the upside there. What a move! What a move! Look at the 1 minute candle. 1 minute candle from the 21,000s up there to the 21,220. So a 200-point move. Anybody that was short before that news came out absolutely destroyed. The bulls just going on a fucking stampede. Right up there, right through that pivot point too. It didn't even flinch. It just went straight through that pivot, right up here to this pivot point. So 21,300 now. That pivot point right there. We're getting ready. It's happening. We're live. If you haven't already hit that like button, blow it up. Welcome to the BDH. There's only one guy on the internet with, well, actually there might be a couple more guys on the internet with 2 Lambos behind them, but hey, we got them. We got the Lamborghinis. The Lamborghinis. Oh, and by the way, no commercials today. No ads, no commercials. So you can thank me by hitting that like button. If you enjoy the stream with no ads I'm all for it, but I need some love. You know, I need that love. I need that love in the chat here. How much insurance to insure the Lambos? I don't know. I don't even look at it, bro. I just pay it. Why have I not invited Michael Patak? I don't think he's gonna come to the BDH. I would invite him, no problem. It's not personal. I just don't think he's gonna. I just don't think he's gonna come. You know, I don't think he's coming to the BDH anytime soon. Oh shit! Top Step's got the AirPod. Wait, is he still wearing AirPods? Oh, is this from yesterday?
He's wearing the same suit he was wearing yesterday.
This must be yesterday's live stream. Doesn't make sense. What's today's date? The 15th?
Yeah.
I gotta pull up Top Step TV so I can figure out when to go short and when to go long. Just the opposite of whatever they do. Hee. All right, there we go. We got more people watching the BDH live stream right now than Top Step TV. What the fuck? Let's go, boys. I think it might be because of Victoria there. Tell us a little joke, Victoria.
A little joke.
One little joke, please.
You can't put me on the spot like that.
You don't
I
have
don't
any
have
jokes?
any jokes. I don't have any jokes.
Not a jokey person?
No, but I feel like this is too high.
Oh, God.
Does my microphone work? Like when you turn it on, yeah?
It should be on. Mic check. Say mic check.
Mic check, mic check.
I think it's working.
Okay,
Is it
cool.
working? I think so. All right. You're getting ads? You should not get ads. There's no, oh, hold on a second. Now there's no ads. Now there's no ads.
Guys, why do you always ask about my age? You don't ask a woman what her age is.
Victoria, how old are you?
I'm in my 20s, so
That's not bad.
no, it's not too bad.
Not too bad.
Even though this lighting is actually horrendous on my face right now, but
Oh.
I never remember my passwords.
Me either. Fuck. You gotta keep entertaining the chat.
Oh, sorry guys. Hi.
Gotta keep entertaining.
I can't see any of your comments right now. Patrick has different screens pulled up.
Oh God, the roof's caving in.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on at this place. It's mostly done, but they decided to do the roof.
Doing the roof this week, baby.
Got lots of moving pieces with Pyra right now. It's really exciting. Got some news today, it's a joke actually.
The joke?
Yeah, I got some interesting news today.
About what?
I'll tell you after the market. It's closed.
Oh God, yeah, I don't want to hear about it. Interesting.
No, we'll talk about it later.
Why can I not log in? Should I read my password out live on YouTube?
J L. Just joking.
Oh yeah, she's in, baby. Blow them accounts up, girl. All right, don't trade on my fucking funded account.
Just so everybody knows,
All right, you got $3,000 to get
Okay,
this fucking.
I haven't been trading lately
You
just
gotta
because
make
I've been working on
$3,000.
Pyra stuff. It's just been taking a lot of time out of my day.
Gotta make $3,000 for me today to get funded. All right.
Did Victoria know anything about the market before Patrick? No, guys, I never knew what a future was before Patrick.
I mean, you were trading.
Oh, I traded
Crypto.
it with Robinhood and stuff. Yeah,
Crypto,
so I
baby.
traded. I did trade crypto and stuff.
Crypto
I traded.
girls.
What was that? What I traded? That everybody traded?
What?
Uh,
BitConnect.
Well, no, we're not going to talk about BitConnect, but like what, AMC?
AMC, yeah. Everybody made money on AMC.
What was the GameStop?
GameStop,
I made some money
GME,
off
baby.
GameStop.
All right, take a look here at the markets again. Pulling up the 1 minute chart. We had a very, very bullish fucking breakout here when these news hit. So we'll see how this plays out. I mean, that's 300 points to the upside when that news came out. If we look at bigger time frames, look at the hourly chart here. You know, we're pushing right up into that 21,300 level. So kind of like an inverted head and shoulders, kind of not super clean, but I would expect some type of pullback. You know, some type of pullback here. I am Alex. He wants to get put in timeout. Alex getting put in timeout. Good job, Alex. Aldo expects a big pullback. Oh, okay. Don't get too crazy now. Can you explain the difference in your subscription? There is no difference. Just don't subscribe. What's going on? What's good? What's good? All right, we got Victoria here today. She's going to be trading in one of my take profit evals. And we'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed. I need to get it funded today. She's got to make $3,000 for me today. $3,000 is all I need. Don't go crazy. Nice and easy, baby. Trade the flags. Make the money. Do it live on YouTube. Right?
Heard.
Totally. Ooh, right now, Tradeify is 30% off the straight to funded accounts, and then they are 50% off the evals. I bought 5 of the straight to funded accounts last week because I was like, man, it's pretty good. Well, I don't know. For me, it's like it makes sense just to go right into the straight to funded. It's like I know I'm going to pass the eval, so might as well capitalize when I can. And you can see here, this is actually the Tradeify journal. Pretty cool. I'm going to do a whole video later on. I guess there's more stuff coming as well. And you can see last Friday making 11,000, on Monday making 15,000, and on Tuesday making $16,000, baby. Look at my net P&L here with these 5 accounts, currently sitting at about 75% win-loss ratio, which again, like we talked about the other day, the win-loss ratio don't really mean shit because, you know, if I enter a trade and I end up blowing up my account because I don't hold on to it or whatever it is, like it ain't gonna really matter. So we going. We need to turn that light on, make me look a little better. I'm still trying to dial in all the lighting and the microphones and the equipment in here. Everything's brand new, so we are setting it up here. Again, looking at the NASDAQ here, 15-minute chart, sitting at the high of this 15-minute candle. I would feel like there had to be some type of pullback here, right? Some type of pullback. Let's put the fibs on there. Just a little, speaking of Tradeify, the little Brett Simba course that we had the other day. I mean, you can see there's a lot of room for a pullback here. I mean, down into 21,000, 130, 150 area. That was a big move this morning. Big move. I think either way, it's going to be wild. We should get some good action today. That big move to the upside. See if we get a pullback here. Look for some bounces. Look for some pops. Look for some drops. We're doing it live. I turned off the ads for you guys. No ads today. So don't be afraid, you know, to hit that like button if you want to, if you can. You know, I'm not forcing you, but I mean, it would be nice if you could do it. You never know what's going to happen here in the BDH. If you're just now tuning in, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning. Good to see you. Good to see you here. Love to see it. I think, you know, you never know. Maybe Brett Simba will pop into the live stream and just give away 100 accounts at some point. You know, I don't know. We're live. I think the fib is null after the 8:30 news. True that. True that. It makes sense. Why didn't you bring the leprechaun? The leprechaun died. Poor little leprechaun. But luckily, we got the Aventador. I like, you know what? Aventador just sounds so fun, right? The word Aventador, Aventador, Aventador.
What does it mean?
What does what mean?
Aventador.
What does the Aventador mean?
Yeah.
I don't even know, actually. You think there's like a word for it? What's Aventador mean?
A meaning for sure.
Let's look. I'm gonna Google it.
Aventador.
Aventador. I never thought about it. Oh, well, I mean, come on. That was too easy.
What does it mean?
It's named after a famous Spanish fighting bull that fought in 1993. Wow. I got a bull, baby. I mean, hey, BDH, bulls don't have problems. We left the P off, but pretty much that could be it as well. So yeah, the Lamborghini Aventador is named after a famous Spanish fighting bull. So that's cool.
The more you know.
More you know, the more you know. What I tell your dad that one time? I was like, you don't know what you don't know.
Yeah.
Or you only know what you know.
Yeah.
Everyone's like, oh, yeah, that's obvious, Patrick. I'm like, well, I'm just pointing it out, people. We need to point out the fact that, hey, what I know is what I know, and what I don't know is what I don't know. And I know a lot. Tell the chat. Aren't you? She's always impressed at the random shit that I just like spout out sometimes.
No, I really am.
And it's not even just because you're my girlfriend.
I'm surprised daily, honestly. You're a wealth of knowledge, babe.
It's not really even knowledge. It's like just funny facts. Like sometimes I just somehow know stuff. She'll ask me trivia, and I know. Tell everybody how the soccer game went last night.
Woo!
Little recap here. We went to a soccer game last night playing. I play on this soccer team with Ryan Dodgy and some other traders and stuff. And give us a little recap. How'd it go?
The team crushed you guys. So, but
well, that is not part of the. We don't want to hear that part of the story. Tell about the good story. You remember the yellow card? Remember me?
Okay. You want to hear that story?
The fun stuff. The guy with the ball and spot.
There was a guy that was, nope. I don't want to say unfortunate looking, but he was being a bit of a prick, and
he was short. I mean, that right there, it just
not
sucks.
not that anyways.
Oh, it matters.
Besides the point, but Patrick got a yellow card because he was calling this guy out, and some guy almost kicked him in the face, and this referee was like,
I got thrown out of the fucking
He was like
game.
buddy with the other guys in the team, so he just wasn't. He was hating on the hooligans.
I think it was.
Which is the team name, by the way.
No, yeah, no, I think it was bullshit. I call bullshit. I told the ref, good job fucking making your $20 an hour, you piece of shit.
Yeah.
At one point, the ref told me if I yelled or had any more issues, they're gonna throw me out. So I guess it was on my own doing, you know. So we're ready. What do we got? 15 minutes here till market opens. Big old move here in the Nasdaq. You know, big old move. Big old move. Are you looking at anything over there? You thinking about putting a trade on, or are you waiting?
I'm waiting for a second.
I'm gonna wait for a sec. Well, you kind of trade. Do you have anything? I guess momentum really is what you trade.
Yeah.
You're a momentum trader.
Exactly.
Gotta make it look good.
Jeez, they're really banging around out there.
Hey, so those guys did say they said I was on steroids.
Oh, yeah. The guy was like, when Patrick went back on the field, one of the guys was like, it's not my problem that guy's on steroids. And I was like, oh my God, buddy.
Fucking steroids, boys. I'm on steroids. So funny. Just imagine if I actually was on steroids, then I'd really be fucking shredded. Then I'd be really fucking shredded. Anybody know a good somebody said your body's proof you're not. That's low blow, bro. That's a low blow. That's a low blow. I'm on that super gummies creatine, all right? Anybody you're out of shape. Motherfucker, I want you to come up in here. Look at this. Look at this.
Damn. Oh, good job, babe.
The steroids are kicking in.
You make it look really easy.
That was 20, motherfuckers. 20. 20. I can't breathe. That was 22.
Wow, people are really counting.
I don't pass out. See, the thing is, like, yes, I could have a six-pack. I could be shredded, but I don't want to be. I know it sounds funny, but I really don't. I'm happy where I'm at. I'm in a good spot. My body feels good. I feel I'm in a good spot. I eat whatever I want. I'm happy. And I've been 180 pounds before. Right now I'm 220. I've been 180 and I was miserable. Like I was like miserable. I couldn't eat what I wanted. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't drink. I don't like it. I'm out of breath. Now it's fucking hot in here. Oh God. But yeah, I mean, I think at the end of the day, figure out, you know, what makes you happy. The good thing is Victoria's shredded, so are you gonna wear those glasses on your head or on your eyes?
I'm getting my hair done later, so
Oh, it's like your hairdo look.
this is just me kind of just
I
keeping
like
it all up right now. Next week I'll be a little bit more blonde, so stay tuned.
Ooh, next, you know what's gonna happen? They're gonna come back and be like, "He got a new girlfriend?"
Probably, yeah. Every time I go blonder, everybody's always asking, "Who's that girl?"
He got a new girlfriend? All right, looking at the NASDAQ here, just sitting there at the 21,300s. Both the ES and the NASDAQ kind of making the same move today. And yeah, we're watching it. Not really much to like do here. We broke through a lot of resistance on the ES there. I think we gotta kind of look for a pullback, you know? Gotta look for a pullback here either way, so. VWAP on the ES all the way down there at the 931s. And yeah, we're getting it ready. If you were here yesterday for the live stream, look where we got to. That 800 level breaking yesterday down there through the 795. So we took the shorts, made the money on the move down. Look at the end of day move here. Anybody get this? Anybody get this move right here? Oh my Lord, look at that thing. 20,980 down there to the 20,800s. So if you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. We're doing it big. We're doing it big. Talk about a bull flag. Look at that. Look at that bull flag set up there. That looks pretty good. Off the charts. Off the charts, man. Patrick, in your course, you talk about the 14 EMA and the 21 EMA. Right now, I'm using the 21 EMA. Denny, BDH, congrats. You wrote that 20 times now. That's nice. Okay, now you wrote it again. Victoria, fish was the bigger one. She got the bigger fish, always. I get the little fish. Any update on the lawsuit from Rips? My lawyers sent Rips lawyers a letter basically telling him he's full of shit, and we never heard a response. So either they're really cooking up something crazy, or I don't know exactly what is going on with that. So we'll find out. But I think I like I said before, I call him bullshit. Call him bullshit. Patrick, tell your team to respond to my emails. Hey team, respond to AZIC's emails. Patrick, do you use a laptop or a PC? Mostly my phone. If you see here, like these computer screens that you see, this massive 55-inch screen, that's just for show. You know, I pretty much just trade on my phone. It's just like, I like this. I don't even look at the computer screens. I just, much easier. Why'd you come back from Hawaii? Hey, you know, if you sometimes you gotta leave to come back. you gotta come back to leave. You gotta leave to come back. Something like, I don't know. It's one of those motivational quotes, you know. God, now I'm all hot and bothered. God. How many centimeters is Patrick? What's a centimeter?
Like a ruler sticks 30 centimeters, and I think it's 12 inches.
Yeah, I don't know. I think he's trying to be a weirdo. I don't think it's a real question. Check the clip I made for you. I don't know if I want to. Sounds scary.
We need another song.
Marketclubhouse.com is still what?
What song? Who made that song when we were in Hawaii?
Marketclubhouse.com is available for sale if anybody wants to buy it. I'm trying to sell it. I think it's worth a lot of money. If anybody wants to buy it, you can buy it from me. Anyone else coming in today? No, just Victoria. Sorry.
Sorry,
That's all
guys.
you get. That's all you get today. Did you ever get refunds from FTT? No. Did anybody get refunds? I don't think so. What is my thoughts? What am I going to do at open? Well, we have this big old boner candle to the upside. I mean, you know, do we go higher? Maybe. I don't know. I feel like we need to kind of pull back here a little bit, you know. Pulling back into the middle of that 15-minute candle would be ideal. You know. That would be ideal, but we'll see. We're right below this pivot point as well. 21,315 pivot point there. Looking at the hourly chart right now, we've got this 368 resistance there. We've got that 450 area up there. Oh, this song goes hard.
I was going to say.
Going hard up in here. It's hard to find good music.
You said you traded that push-up?
I got a little trade in there on my Tradeify accounts. Got a little trade. Armando said that the two of us are enough. Aw.
That's so sweet.
So nice.
And whoever asked my height, I'm 5'8". I don't mind.
5'8".
I don't mind.
She's
telling
5'8".
that.
And I'm 6'1". First time here. What's going on? Well, we're gonna trade. You know, we're gonna trade. That's kind of what we're gonna do here. It's what's going on here. Gonna try to make some more money. I got some accounts to run up here. Got some accounts to run up. You know how we do it. You know how we do. Every day is a good day to make some money. If you know what I mean, you know, if you know what I mean. Every day is a good day to make some money, man. That's right. Every day. Every day is a good day to make some money. That hourly candle, I mean, like this would be ideal, right? Kind of pull back into this previous area where this resistance was yesterday. Pull back into that, test it, bounce. VWAP is right there as well. Ideally, that would be the kind of the spot, but we're gonna have to find out. You know, hey, patience, my friends, patience. Like I always tell Victoria, patience. When you're trading, you gotta have patience, right, Victoria?
Yeah, that's definitely what you tell me. I do have patience, though.
You need more patience.
No.
More patience. Oh, you didn't take that trade?
What trade?
You could have got long right there.
Shit, I haven't been paying attention.
Oh my! You could have got that was a breakout. Oh God.
I know I should have actually.
A little late. Little late.
So I've been fiddling around with these things.
You're doing what?
I'm fiddling around with the settings.
True. True.
On here. There we go. It's better.
Dude, where is? I need just like some like chill music. By the way, no ads today. So do me one big favor, blow up that like button. Does Victoria need to buy your course? Yeah, no, she already bought it. She hasn't been trading a lot lately. She's been working on her new business. Got the Funded Futures book here. Don't be afraid to check it out. And right now, Tradeify 30% off with a 50% deal as well. I'm gonna make a video later talking about the Tradeify journal. Very impressive. I've been kind of messing around with the new Tradeify journal and kind of seeing all my stats. So we're excited. Exciting day. I can control. Oh. We got about 3 minutes here till market opens. 3 minutes. We got the VWAP down here at this pivot point. We got this previous resistance down there as well. I mean, that would be ideal to kind of pull back into that level. It's hard to get long up here. As I say that though, you know, market could open and we could rip up, take out this 328 level. I mean, it's just one of those situations, right? There's like, if you look at the 4-hour chart, this 360 4-hour chart, this like 370 area right here. Gonna identify that. That's a 4-hour candle. That would be that wick right here. That wick starts at about 315 up there to the 370. So that's kind of your upside target here if we do show strength and want to squeeze up. But ideally, I like to play it safer and try to get a good pullback to give me, you know, a better kind of bull flag setup here. Don't be too quick to jump in, get all crazy at open, but sometimes you just got to jump in and ride the wave. So that's at 370, that yellow line right there. We get above this pivot point, that 370 area kind of being the target with that 4-hour candle there. So patience, you know, patience. Probably the biggest thing that most traders could focus on as a skill or as something to just add to their arsenal of trading. It's not indicators, it's not strategies, it's not books, it's not courses, it's patience, right? People just, when it comes to trading, people just totally forget about patience. They're like, everybody wants to get rich. I think that's the problem, right? Everybody just wants to get rich quick. I've done it. I've had that problem. I still have that problem. I'm still trying to get rich. One day, I'm gonna get lucky. We're getting very close to the open here. 30 seconds. Like I said, we'll kind of see if we get a pullback here. It's kind of a little bear flag. If we lose that 21 EMA there, it could pull back. I'm gonna be patient and wait either way. We had a big move here with that 8:30 data. There's no rush. We got all day, baby. We got all day. There's gonna be a good setup, so let's wait for that perfect, not a perfect opportunity, but wait for a good opportunity here to make some money and not rush anything. You know, no reason to rush. No reason to rush. You know. Here we go. Market is open. It's time to party. All right, here's that little pullback. We're kind of expecting that pullback here. Will it get bought up? It's kind of like I'd want to see this area down here, that 140 area kind of pull back, or I want to see this thing break out to the upside through here, kind of get above that 270 area. put in this we break through 270, we pull back, we test 270, then we go higher. Would be my long kind of thesis. But still, I'm totally fine if this pulls back more. If it pulls back more, it just gives us a better entry anyway. So let it pull back, let it do its thing, and then we look to make some money. Obviously a massive gap to the downside. 20,900 area was where we closed at on Monday, so we're going to have to see. What you doing over there?
Fucking around. Just let me shake off my cobwebs.
Shaking off her cobwebs. Are you looking at any trades right now, or just?
Yeah, I want to take a short here.
You want to take a short here? Obviously not financial advice.
Don't listen to me, please. I love God.
Bob, obviously not financial advice here.
Of course, when I say it, it goes up.
All right, here's that little push back up, trying to get above that 21 EMA. Like I said, kind of look for that breakout through the 70s and then like a little bit of a pullback, and then we see if we go to try to push up there to that 370 area there next. So testing 65s here. There's that breakout through the 280s now. Kind of looking for a little pullback here. Going to the 1 minute chart just because this thing is wild. It's a ripping, it's a roaring. So there's that little pullback now. Needs to just go straight up through here now. Too much trouble there. We're kind of waiting to see if we get that higher low first, right? Get that higher low above that 280 area to get confirmation that the bulls want to go higher here. Hitting our little yellow trend line and denied. Showing some strength here at the 21 EMA. Will she have the power? Get above that 280 area there next quickly. The ES and the NASDAQ both kind of setting up for the bulls here. They got to get it through the 80s quickly and then start ripping to the upside there. $80 area again giving us trouble. We have not broken above the high of this previous candle there at the 84.75s. Need to take out 84.75s here. Trouble again. Trouble, trouble, trouble. If we get back above the 80s, I might be looking for this long through the 80s up there through the 300s next. Getting very tight right here. Very tight. Shorts are going to be piling in here if they can't get it above the 80s. So above the 80s, we squeeze out these shorts. Just holding up there at the 21 EMA for now. Kind of see this 82, 83 area to break out. And again, just stuck there. So no reason to get long here yet. Shorts holding it below that 21 EMA. Could start to dump through the 40s back down there into the 200s next. The 21 EMA right now on the 1 minute chart holding us down. No real movement yet, just still kind of deciding which way it wants to go. Bulls are doing a good job keeping this alive right here for now. I thought it would get more of a pullback, but they're holding it on. That drop, the VWAP down there could get real quick there. There she goes. Trying to take out those lows there at the 20s. Into the 15s now. You see that bear flag there, or just kind of that little symmetrical triangle here. I think 180 area kind of has to get tested now.
There, I'm making you 600, 700.
You're up. She's up. She's short.
800.
Victoria's short. Get out. Get out, woman.
I do it differently than you.
How much you get it out now?
No, I just keep on dragging these down.
Keep it. Get out now.
1,000. All right, there we go.
Told you to get out. How much?
Well, because I had lost some a little bit, I'm up 300 for the day.
Oh, she's up 300. I need 3,000, not 300.
I'm up 300. That's not too bad.
I told you to get out there.
I did get out.
Where'd you get out?
I got out at 21,193.
2193. You could have got in the 80s when I told you to get out.
I got out at the 90s, though.
You could have got out of the 80s. See, more profit.
Okay.
More profit. More
Whatever.
problems.
Making you money.
Making the money, honey. Let's go. All right, so there's that 180 area. All right, so we tested that 180. This was that previous like kind of little bull flag that we tested there. Now let's see if these bulls want to go. The great thing is if we get above this 75, 80 area here, then you know it's just kind of primed up and ready to want to squeeze higher. So the sights and the sounds here. Well, I'm happy. Look at that. I called that reversal so good. Told her to get out. Get out, woman. Get out of there. Look at that. From the 90s back up. That's a 50 point. I saved you 50 points there, honey.
Thanks, babe.
All right, all right. The bulls are definitely trying to do something here now. This is looking like a perfect little squeeze setup. All those bears that try to jump in there at open. All them bears trying to jump in there at open, they said. All right, we got to get through this 80 area there next. Nice little push. Gonna be testing this 80 area right here, right now. There's that little test of 80s. I think we got to go like straight up through there now. Break out through the 80s and run it. There's that 80 break. The bulls are on Stampede. Both the ES and the NASDAQ pushing up here together. Love to see it. Love to see it, people. Right here, the 84s now up there, almost into the 90s. Take it to the 90s. There's that breakout. 300. And next, 21,300 there next.
All right, I'm up 500 in the account.
She's up 500 now. Would you take a long?
I took a long, yeah.
Ooh, don't listen to me. Not financial advice, people. Don't listen to me. She made 500. Let's go. All right, we got both the Lambos in the BDH today, keeping them safe. It's hard to park them both. You'd be surprised. It's not very easy to park a Lambo. Like that, you can't really see. It's hard to like know. You know, it's hard to know. It's like they're up, they're down, they're all around. So we are getting that little push up there through the 80s now. Build out a little bull flag right here. That pivot point right here, 315. And then after that, we said that 370 area is up there. So we're looking. How many people we got on the stream right now? 3,100, 3,800. Let's go for 4,000. Don't walk away now. Don't walk away now. Oh, buddy. Get through this 300 area.
All right, usually I'd walk away now.
You'd walk away now.
I'm at 600.
600 bucks. Just hold on. Look for that 300 break here.
Okay.
Just wait for this 300 break. Get a little bull flag. Pull back into that 21. Come on. Tap that 21 EMA there. Oh. I'm going to go ahead and say it. 300 is going to break. Not financial advice. Not financial advice, but I'm 99% sure that 300 is going to break here. 99%. Not 100%. Never 100%, but I'm 99% sure. I'm 99%. Oh, God, we're so close.
All right, made an extra 150. Now I'm really
She's up 100, another 150. How are you on the day?
On the day, I'm at 665.
665, just listening to PW. Look at that. How long have you been trading for?
Since August.
Since August of last year. Not even a year yet.
The last month
and
off.
Just listening to my magical voice here. She's making money. Well, there's a 300 break. I don't want to tell you I told you so. Another little bull flag playing out through the 300s now. That pivot point right here, 315s. Ain't nobody doing it like this, boys. Ain't nobody doing it like this right here, right now. Who's got two Lambos? Two Lambos. And a beautiful assistant with them live on YouTube. Nobody. No one's got it. You put no trade on, didn't you?
Yeah, but see, this is what happens.
I can see your eyeballs.
I know, this is what happens, and now I just need to stop. I can't do this anymore. I just got out of it really fast. It was up like 20 bucks.
Oh, God. Just going to blow up my account. Need this flag to like, just if it was just looked a little sexier here. Right there at the 300s now. We can wait for like another little flag to form here. We got the data high there, 331s. I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, that just looks like it wants to get taken out. 331, data high here. Numbers coming out this morning. Market going absolutely insane, up 300 points. in a matter of minutes now, or well, this morning. Now we're just battling here at that 300s. Little yellow line. 15-minute range breakout here as well. Everything's lining up. We got a little bull flag here on the 1-minute chart, right at that whole number, 300s. Pivot point right there, 315s, 316s to get through. I think it can. I think it can. I think it can. Got to push straight through here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get that 315 break. LFG, baby. Let's fucking go, NASDAQ. Push it. Push it, you little bitch. Sometimes I feel like NASDAQ just really wants to play games with me. But then she fails me. Kind of weird to say, but
A little bit.
a little bit weird.
All right, done.
You got another trade?
Yeah, I'm at 930. Okay.
Oh, she's up 900, baby. Taking the bull flags, playing the bull flags. Guys, it's not fucking rocket science. Take your fucking get in, get out, lock in the profit, get in, get out, lock in the profit. It's that simple. Don't be that guy. So right now we took had a short here, 239, locking in the profit. Little breakout there from here to here. I'll take it. Up $5,000 in this account right now. That's right. And then in my Tradeify accounts, we're also up almost $2,000. You can see these accounts. I started them last Friday. NASDAQ going through the 20s now. If I had $1 for every time I got out early, I'd be a millionaire. But hey, ain't nothing wrong with look at it. Would you just look at it? Hey, chat. I want some W's in the chat. I want some W's in the chat. I want some W's in the chat. God, why would you watch any other live stream? Why would you watch any other? Think about it. If you watch another live stream, you are literally just wasting your fucking life, wasting your time. It's this easy. We do this every day from the BDH. It's that. It ain't easy, by the way. Hey, by the way, guys, trading is very, very difficult. You're probably gonna lose, yeah, all that. But in general, there we are. Right now, Tradeify, 30% off, 50% off for the expert accounts. I'm gonna get paid. I'm gonna get paid, baby. I'm gonna get paid here. The NASDAQ, we almost got 1,000 likes here. Let's go. We are so close to the 4,000 mark. Come on, let's break into the 4,000, boys and girls. Keep on watching. Top Step hasn't even put a trade on yet. What are they doing over there? They're sleeping. Those motherfuckers are sleeping over there. They must be sleeping. They must absolutely be sleeping over there. Pat, are you trading micros? Do you think I have 2 Lamborghinis and I trade micros? You know, like, come on. Do you really, you think I got 2 Lamborghinis and I'm trading micros? Come on, people. All right, so the NASDAQ, look at that. Through the data high again. You know, again, I don't want to, brag. But goddamn. Goddamn. Your code is still 40% off on Tradeify. Uh-oh. Tradeify is still 40% off. Don't tell Brett Simba. I don't know if he knows or not. That's right. Use the code PW. Get 40% off of the codes there. Let's see. Victoria, what's she up? What's she up today? $1,100 for Victoria there. Look at that. Love to see it. Love to see it. Can't even see it, but it's pretty cool. Tell us, Victoria, what's been the one thing that you've really learned as in your day trading experienced so far?
I think the one big thing that I've learned is like not to get too ahead of yourself. I know the camera's moving. Like sometimes when the market's going really, really good and I have really good trades, I think the rest of the day is going to be the same thing, but it's absolutely not going to be the same thing. So just being able to shut the computer and leave.
That's honestly that is a great lesson, right? Just because you made a bunch of money in the morning doesn't mean you have to keep trading it, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
So walk away. Look at that, Willie. And it's like, especially like today, we made really easy money. And so what do you do now? Do you keep trading? Do you go crazy? Like, do you just wait? You took the course twice. You in Hawaii, actually.
Yeah.
You were, yeah. So August would have been like Hawaii. You were in Hawaii. You were trading, waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, learning how to trade.
Yeah.
How'd that go? Trading at 3 o'clock in the morning.
To be honest, I was stoked for it. I woke up. It was a vibe. I heard you downstairs. I'd go down, I'd make my coffee and stuff. And then it was like the sun was coming up. I could hear the ocean. It was.
And what's funny too when you think about the like in Hawaii, like when you wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, like there's nobody. All your neighbors, like everybody, like there's nothing going on.
The world is silent.
The world is silent. And we're in there live streaming, fucking yelling and screaming on the live stream.
Yeah, it was epic.
Ruining the silence. If you buy the course, does it expire or do you have it for life? You got it for life. Does Victoria speak French? S'il vous plaît? S'il vous plaît?
Un petit peu.
Petit peu? Petite? What are those things?
You say, oui, oui?
Poutine.
Poutine.
Give us a Canadian accent.
You're actually better at the Canadian accent than I am, to be honest.
Hey, Victoria made some good money today. Hey. Victoria, you want to go out and we'll go out and snowplow later. Move some snow around.
The snowplow.
Sorry, Canadians talk a different French. Yeah, well, she's not French Canadian. So you don't have to worry about that. Trust me, we all know. The nothing worse than a French Canadian. Nothing against you, but hey, nothing good. Now do a Mexican accent. Hey, F-A. The market, it go up, it go down. I don't know what to do. Hey, F-A, market, it go up. Bull flag. How many contracts did you trade, Victoria? You trade you kind of crazy.
Today, contracts, I put 1 and 2, altogether 52 contracts today,
yeah, but
26
how many per
trades.
Trade?
1 or 2.
1 or 2. You're like a micro. I've tried so hard to work with Victoria in the sense of holding trades longer.
I held it for a minute.
Yeah, but look at your stats. Like, what does your stats say for the longest hold today?
1
what was
minute.
the longest hold?
1 minute and 2 seconds.
That's actually that's pretty good for you.
But babe, I've gotten better.
Average trade time 29 seconds.
Yeah, whatever. Who cares?
Victoria, are you from Waterloo? Why does everybody think they know you?
I know. No, I'm not from Waterloo.
Where's Waterloo?
It's in Ontario.
Oh.
It's like 8 hours away from me. I don't know.
Literally, everybody's like, are you Victoria from Waterloo? No, not that Victoria.
Well, I know a Victoria from Canada. It must be you.
Yeah. Hey, I saw a girl from from Canada. Is that you? You live there, right? Someone said I do not sound like Speedy Gonzalez. Well, hey, we having fun here. All right, NASDAQ, what a move. It's almost like at this point, it's 9:54? Time to run away, man. Time to just run. Why am I on the 1 minute chart? I was on the 1 minute chart because of the price action, just to kind of see those bull flags. So let's say I'm looking at the chart like it is right now. This is the 2 minute chart. What I will normally do is if I start to see like a bull flag or a setup for a bull flag, what I like to do is I'll go to the 1 minute chart just so I can kind of see those candles a little bit better and then kind of look for my bull flag. There's this pullback now. We took out this high of this data just like we said it would. And then we pulled back here now into the 21 EMA there. So let's go. I'm Big Ed. Made money today. Donating it to help out Altadena. What is that? Altadena. What's the top step people doing? Nothing. Not even one trade yet. God, I'm ready to go home. Turn off the fucking computer. I'm out of here, baby. I'm gonna go film some videos in the Lamborghini today. I mean, that's a pretty fucking big flex right there. You gotta admit. You gotta admit, right? I'm over here trading with my sandals on, making fucking money. I got Lamborghinis in the back. I got a real hot guest on the YouTube today. Ain't nobody doing it like this, baby. Ain't nobody. What's the BDH? Kyle. Put 2 and 2 together. Put 2 and 2 together. Think about it. Think about it. Big dick house. That's it. Big dick house. It can be whatever you want it to be, really. Yesterday, you gave a shout out to my friend, Kurtan, and his day turned out to be very profitable. All right, Kurtan, good luck today, my friend. I hope you make a lot of money.
Like curtain or Kurtan?
Kurtan. Kurtan. Patrick, why'd you shave your head? Just to change it up, man. You know, new year, new me. Focused, business, making money. You know, that's what we're all about. I want to make money and I want to get the fuck out of here every day. I want to get in here, I want to make money, and then I want to go live my life. That's literally all I want to do. I'm not here to make friends. I'm not here to fucking sit here and, you know, hang out and talk to people for 8 hours a day on a fucking live stream. That's not my goal in life. I don't know about you guys, but if you're sitting on fucking YouTube watching a live stream for 8 hours a day, what the fuck are you doing? You know, like, what in the fuck are you doing? Patrick is balding. I don't think I'm balding at all. Like, what the fuck? Like, find a bald spot. I'm not balding. I shaved my head because I wanted to. I do it like every year. God. Did you play soccer yesterday? I did play soccer yesterday. Do you think it's going to come back to 21,160 area? I mean, the Bulls are just, they're kind of being relentless right now. Another little like bear, kind of bull, you know, push back up into here. That 370 area was kind of what I was looking at because of this data. If you look at the 4-hour chart, not the data, but if you look back 4-hour chart, there's a lot of kind of resistance here, 370, 380 area. After that, 428, kind of what I was looking at. So we'll see. When is Dodgy coming on? I don't know. I told Dodgy we played soccer last night. He's afraid. He's afraid to come trade in the BDH. Because I think he don't got a big dick. You gotta, before you trade in the BDH, you gotta drop your pants and prove it. You gotta prove it. Victoria.
What?
You gotta prove it.
Prove what?
You got a big dick.
You know, Dodgy was late to the game last night.
He was fucking late.
Yeah, it was like 15 minutes late. He blamed it on a train. So Ryan,
yeah, like I got stuck behind a train. Behind a train. Trains don't even, they're going this way.
He still would have been late.
All right, NASDAQ kind of curling up here again. That little bull flag, kind of look again, that little bull flag off the pivot point. We have the 15-minute range breakout there as well. I still think she wants it higher. I still think she wants it higher. What is your moving average? This is a 21 EMA. VWAP is the yellow line down there. Invite ICT. I don't think ICT will ever come to the BDH. I'm down for whoever wants. Bring everybody. Bring all the top influencers to the BDH. I got nothing against it. We're gonna have, we actually got confirmed. January 27th, January 28th, we're gonna have Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar is gonna be here. Lester. It's gonna be weird. I gotta be nice, but I can't be too nice. You gotta be like, I gotta be like kind of funny, but not kind of funny. Nutty Bar is gonna come trade with us. All right, NASDAQ once again bull flagging here through the through that 350 area. There's our target from earlier, that 4-hour chart with the 370s up there. Are you paying his expenses? Fuck no. Now, he's actually in Florida right now. He's actually in Florida right now.
It's cold in here.
It's cold in here.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Top Step TV. Not one trade yet. That's embarrassing. How are they not going to make one trade in the first 30 minutes?
They haven't made a single trade?
Not one trade. Not one.
Are they watching the same market?
I don't know what they're fucking doing. Yeah, Nutty's in Sarasota. Jessica said she went to buy the paperback and it's not in stock. Dude, the people I gotta talk to, I gotta find some people out there who could make my book better. My team is really blowing it on this fucking book. All right, hey. Victoria, are they watching the same market? I don't know what the fuck they're watching. There it is. There's our target. Tappity, tap, tap, tappity. Nice to see you messing with Nutty. Used to remember you two trolling each other. Hey, I got nothing wrong with anybody out there. I'll make fun of everybody, and I can still be friends with them. I literally play soccer with Ryan Dodgy, and I call him the biggest joke ever. So I say it to his face. That's the thing about me, right? The difference between Patrick Wieland and all the other idiots on the internet is they just talk shit on the internet. I will tell people right to their face that they fucking suck at trading. I literally tell Dodgy that right to his face, and he just laughs about it. I'm like, it's not like I don't sit here and talk shit. I walk the talk. I walk the talk. What about Danny Trades? Oh God. The fact that anybody even mentions Danny Trades in my presence. The fact that anybody even mentions Danny Trades in my presence it says enough. Can Rips I don't know. See, I don't think Rips is gonna ever come in here because he don't want it.
I gotta head out in like 15 minutes.
Gotta head out?
Yeah.
Well, before you leave, tell us some stories.
What do you want to know? Ask me questions. I don't have
Dave
stories.
Teaches is the best trader. Yeah. Dave Teaches. All right, we got some questions in the chat. Who's got questions for Victoria? The Nasdaq pushing up there through the 70 area. Imagine, my friends. Who would have thought? Can we run it back? Let's run it back one more time. I wish I could. I needed an instant replay. I need to get an instant replay set up here because look. Before the market opened, what did we talk about? Before the market opened, what did we talk about, boys and girls? Hey. What diet does Victoria follow? I don't think you're really on a diet. Not on a diet, are you?
No, I'm just eating a lot more protein lately. Trying to eat a lot more steak and eggs than I used to. I used to eat a lot more carbs. Somebody's question was...
That's because of me.
Yeah,
my direct influence on you.
Somebody asked me what made trading click for me. I remember it so vividly. It was after I watched Patrick's course, and I was sitting in Hawaii. We were in Kona, and I was looking at a setup, and I was on the 2-minute chart, and I just drew the yellow line, and then it broke out of the VWAP. It was out of the 21 EMA, and I took a long, and I put 3 trades on, and I set my stop losses at like previous resistance. And I made money, and I felt so confident, and I passed an I was the first time I got funded, actually.
I swear to God, I did not tell her to say that.
And
I don't. So people in the chat are like, "Oh, she's just saying that because of his course."
No.
But honestly, the course, it's not even that you learned it in the course. You started to understand how the market moves.
Yeah.
I mean, it's again like what I teach in the course is not like proprietary information. It's not like a secret, but I put it in a course so that people don't have to spend fucking 6 months trying to find information on the internet. So again, like it's not Victoria sitting here like trying to promote the course. It's just the fact of like, hey, she wanted to learn about trading, and I said, hey, watch the course and then talk to me about trading. Like there's no point in talking about trading until you watch the course because all the questions you're gonna have are in the course.
Yeah.
So that was pretty much like my theory on that.
100%.
All right, so NASDAQ, there's that 370 area. God damn, boys and girls. Another bull flag setup from the 320s. And these are like the perfect setups too, because you get this like test, right? Where you get this little drop. We kind of trap below this here. We pop it right back up. There's your breakout. Bang, bang, bang. From the 320s up there to the 370s. Again, bull flags, bull flags, bull flags. Plenty of free courses on YouTube. Well, yeah, you know what, Bartosi, there are. Or you can just fucking waste your time. Go fuck yourself. I love people like, but Patrick, why do you sell a course when it's free on the internet?
Go find it yourself.
All right, well, go fucking watch your free fucking stupid videos. You know, well, go watch it. I don't care. All right, what else you got? What's been like your biggest hurdle with trading? What's your P&L today? First off,
P&L is 1100. Where is it? It is 1,155 even.
Okay, $1,000, one account, not bad.
Yeah.
All right, so tell us what's been your biggest hurdle to get over as a trader?
Walking away, just being able to walk away if you're in the red, walk away if you're in the green, but limit those losses and have more green days than red days. And not get ahead of yourself. Well, that's been a hurdle for sure. Like I've had so many funded accounts that have blown up, but like that's part of trading. I've been trading since August. I've taken the past month off to focus on the Pilates stuff. Today was the first day diving back in since probably the end of November, realistically. So I feel good. Today's a good day, but you know.
Do you think it helps that you were here today? Like, do you think you would have done better trading at home?
No, I would
alone.
I would have fucked around more at home for sure.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I mean, you could have covered a little earlier, you know, and you made more money.
My first few trades of the day, I was fucking around because I was just getting back into it. I could have definitely been up more. I could have covered better, but hey, I'm happy with my profits. So.
Does Victoria trade minis or micros? She trades the minis because she's too. She doesn't want to fuck around with the micros. Trust me, and I've tried to get her to trade the micros. She don't want no micros.
No, I tried. Not my thing.
Victoria, how much have you actually withdrawn? She has not withdrawn. She's only been trading since August, kind of like a part-time fun thing. She's not like, this is not her full-time job by any means. I mean, I'm the trader. And honestly, it's funny because, like, no offense to Victoria, but like, I don't want to fucking sit around talking about trading with her. You know, like sometimes we will, but like, I don't want to go to dinner with my girlfriend and be like, so babe, what did you trade today? Oh, that's all, you know, and like have to talk about trading. Like,
I've got a full-time job opening a Pilates studio and just being here
today. You got your own business you're launching.
Yeah, I decided to pop in today because it's fun. I wanted to say hi to everybody, but most of my days are booked full of meetings and things that you have to get done before you open a business. So I'm a busy girl.
NASDAQ making new highs here again. It's just on a fucking roll. We're up 2.2% on the day. This NASDAQ move has been absolutely insane. The bull flags just continuing to print. Bull flags continuing to print. 21,400 being your next level up there. John said that he's been trading a lot better going to the micros compared to the minis. Hey, that's the best part about it, right? You guys can really just kind of figure out what works best. Like, remember when Matt was here on Monday, Matt talked about, you know, as a trader, you got to find out what works best for your personality, what works best for your type of kind of just like, you know, mindset, because everyone's a little different. Some people like are very like stoic, they're very slow, and they want to like, you know, get into trades and do all that. And then other people, you know, they jump in and out, and they're kind of like Victoria, taking trades and getting in, getting out, and doing it. Somebody asked, is Patrick, is he hyper or is he more chill in real life?
You're more chill. You're very chill, actually.
I use all my energy on this fucking stream every day.
There's like moments you come home and like you're excited about something, but for the most part,
if I have a good, well, you know when I have a red day and when I have a green day, don't you?
Yeah.
I always tell Victoria, I'm like, you don't even need to ask because you're gonna know.
Yeah.
The vibe is gonna be not good. Mm-hmm. Just not good. Is it the same course that was on Market Flow Trader? It is not. It is a new course. We're actually going to work on a newer course as well. The other course as well. Derek said he met me at the car show in Boca. He was pretty chill, high energy, but chill. I mean, I can't just like meet people in real life and then be all chill, you know. I gotta, you know. I gotta put on the show. How long have I been streaming? About 8 years now. Any veterans discount? I mean, it's $199 the course. I just feel like if I discount it any more than that, it would just be like free. So, how many courses have you sold now? I think a little over 5,000 or so. Dodgy said you're pretty quiet in real life. I mean, I talk when I want. Hey, there's Trey. Trey said he heard the money-making voice at the car show. What's up, Trey? He came up to me at the car show and said that he heard my voice and had to come say hi. I was like, damn. Damn, Junior. Which prop firm do you recommend? I mean, they're kind of all here's the thing, right? Every prop firm has their benefits. They have the drawbacks. You got to just kind of, for me personally, like, I don't think there's anything wrong with trading multiple prop firms, right? Find out like what prop firm works kind of the best for your style. And then you can also get other accounts and kind of build on that. It also, like, for me, it kind of takes away a lot of like the emotion, knowing that, like, hey, you know, let's say I have a red day and I blow up an account. It's like, at least I didn't blow up like all of my, like, every single account. Like, I always kind of have a backup that I try to like focus on. Fucking NASDAQ still going, man.
What's your P&L for the day?
My P&L for the day is 10,000 plus 5,000. So 15,000 on the day right now.
Nice.
I'll take it. And the funny part is I haven't even made any more trades since earlier.
I stopped at
literally the trades I made were early this morning.
I stopped at 9:50.
And look at it. A couple little opportunities to make some money there. But in the Tradeify accounts, these are the straight to funded Tradeify accounts. We're up over about $10,000 per account, 5 accounts right now. So we're really close to that payout status. I'm going to do a full breakdown later on today to show you guys the stats with the journal and all of that. But right now, NASDAQ above that 370, 380 area. Can it go higher? You never know. Top Step has still not made a trade over there. I can't fade them if they're not trading, guys. What am I supposed to do? I can't believe they haven't placed one trade.
What are they talking about?
Andre is probably just talking about how he likes fucking doing. No, I'm not gonna say it. Talking about skiing or something fucking stupid. Do-do-do-do-do. See, now we're right there near that 21,400 level, and it's like just kind of, I think it wants that 400 break. There's a lot of like, we're really like at a key level of resistance. If you look 4-hour chart, look where we're pushing into. There's a wick, you know, a lot of kind of resistance here in this 400 level. Above 400s gets it going. You can kind of see on the 4-hour chart, right? 4-hour chart, look at that. It's kind of setting up for just like a massive kind of bull flag here. Bullish looking channel. We're at that trend line. This has been like a key trend line since December. And we'll see if we get that breakout here today. What's today? Tuesday? Or wait, today's Wednesday. So Wednesday, will the Wednesday bulls take over and we keep on going? The next level after this 400 level is going to be that 21,000, kind of 700, 800 level. And then we're back up into this 22,000 area again. So
look at that beautiful bull flag on the hour chart.
The bull flag on the hour chart. Let me see that. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty.
Wait, that's the 15 minutes. Sorry.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Yeah, this is the hour up here.
Well, what was funny is if you look it was bull flagging before the news came out, right? We had this little like pullback here, the breakout. Look at this fucking move. We pulled back like right into that 21,200 area and continued higher. That 15-minute chart painting the picture. There's your 15-minute opening range right there. So if you just look at it like this, above the 15-minute opening range now, we're up about 180 points or so. To the upside, this 380 break probably sends us to the 400s next. Let's see. Looking wiki, whoop. 21,400 for one more squeeze possible. One more time. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Through the 390s, I don't see how we don't go 400s. Right? I mean, gotta look at all my charts here. Just tapping into these to those wicks right there. Wick. The high on that candle, 91.25. See if they just reach out. There's that whole buddy reaching out right up there to the 400s now. Ooh.
That was my last trade of the day.
What'd you take? You took a trade?
I bought in at 86.
86. That's pretty good because I'm in at 85. So not a bad. The student beating the student replicating the teacher. The student replicates the teacher.
All right, so 1,500 on the day.
There's the 400 break. I took this little breakout there, 85 up there to the 98s. The best part is I love that Victoria was already in that trade before I even had to ask her. So how much?
1,500 on the day.
1,500 on the day. Let's go, baby. There's your 400 push. 400, make you holla. Patrick, how do you trade on multiple funded accounts from your phone? I don't trade on my phone. I was kidding. I was 100% kidding, by the way. You guys going fishing later? No, I'm going to go drive the Lambo around later. I'm going to go film a video with the new Aventador. The Aventador! The Aventador! Did she talk about walking away? She did, but she's here, so she's listening to me. It's hard.
I do need to.
I got to go to the bathroom, but you can hold on to a minute. Talk to the people.
Hi, people.
Why'd you take that call? Why'd you take that trade there?
Why I took that trade? We broke through those wicks. It was wicking. Guys, don't make fun of my terminology, okay? I don't know. It was just a nice little breakout. Just looking at all my charts here. How's the Pilates studio going? It's going, but I actually have an issue with my suppliers for some of my equipment because of the fires in California. The shipping warehouse that things are coming to has put a delay on my huge order to open the warehouse, open the studio. So this is not good news. Well, I haven't told Patrick yet. I don't trade with micros. I trade with minis. What's my ethnicity? Polish.
What's your ethnicity?
I've done 23andMe. It's like
You're trying to say you
Polish.
look like you're Asian.
I know. I look Asian, but I'm not
She's
Asian.
Chinese. From China. I imported her from Russia. Mail order bride. All right, NASDAQ breaking through the 400. Look at people like from Ottawa. How do they know this stuff? I think these people are weirdos.
Yeah.
How do they be tracking you? All your ex-boyfriends are watching my live stream. Victoria, how do you have so much energy to deal with Patrick? He's so hyper. I don't think they don't understand this is a show. Right?
Guys, I have a green card, so chill the fuck out. Not with Patrick for my green card. I already have
Yeah,
that.
she already had a green card before I met her, unfortunately. That would have been a much easier way to convince her to fall in love with me, but she said, nope, I'm good. I already got one. I said,
Can you
damn.
guys just not believe that I'm with Patrick because...
I know. Why do they don't believe it? I'm just a funny person. Hey, and also when I first met Victoria, I did not have any Lambos. I didn't even have a supercar. I literally had a big truck, and that's all I had. People were like, yeah, she's only with him because he's got a Lambo. Like, trust me, if owning a Lambo gets you a girlfriend, it don't work. Because there's a lot of fucking losers out there that don't. He's an alcoholic.
Why do you guys think he drinks, too? He doesn't drink.
I don't even drink. That's the best part. Y'all are something. Patrick is unhealthy. Okay. Getting banned.
Bye.
See you later, bro. For how long have we been dating? About a year now.
I like how you say about a year. It's been like a year and a half.
Scott had a Lambo. Fuck. Did he? I don't think he had a Lambo. Daniel, did Scott have a Lambo? I don't think he had a Lambo.
No, I don't surf. I tried. It's hard. I surf the waves in the market.
I don't think he couldn't afford a Lambo. Only PW's got 2 Lambos. I think I'm gonna get the other STO wrapped. What should I do? What color should I get the STO? I was thinking about like doing this print, like the orange and gray on one of the cars would be pretty sick. What year Aventador? 2003. 2003. No, it's a 2013. It's a classic. It's a collector's mint condition. Mint condition Aventador. All right, I thought you were leaving.
I am.
Get out of here. See you never. You got to tell us one little secret before you leave. No secrets?
No secrets.
No secrets?
No.
Tell everyone to like the stream at least.
Everybody like the stream for me. Blow it up.
Blow it up, baby!
Or else I'll never come back.
She'll never come back. We got to get at least 1,300 likes or she's never coming back. I don't want a Ferrari, to be honest. The problem is I can't buy a Ferrari because Rips has a Ferrari. And it just, if he has a Ferrari and I had a Ferrari, it's not working.
All right, bye-bye.
See you later. Love you.
Love you.
Should we?
No, I don't want to kiss on camera.
Do we kiss on camera?
Just kidding.
Just. Ah. All right.
Bye.
Have fun. Get to work, woman. Make me some money today. Okay. Make me some money, honey. All right, NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Patrick, why does my pivot point show different numbers of years? I don't know. People always ask me this. I really don't know. Watch Patrick be the biggest baby. I doubt that. I would highly doubt that Patrick will be the biggest baby. Patrick, what car does Victoria drive? She drives an Escalade. Escalade V. 2024 Escalade V. 650 horsepower, baby. Vroom, vroom, motherfuckers. Alex, what platform should you trade on as a total beginner? Yeah, you got to get off Robinhood. That's for sure. Get the fuck off Robinhood. Get an SF90. No, fuck SF90s. They're so good. No. 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 Definitely not. No SF90. I got 2 fucking bulls. I got the twin turbo V10. I got the Aventador V12. Aventador. Do the views drop when Victoria leaves? Probably. Probably. All right. Top Step. Oh, looks like Jay took a trade and lost $600. Fuck, what did he do? I didn't even see it. Damn it. Them Top Step coaches always be doing so good over there. I gotta keep an eye on them. We could have made $700 if we would have just done the opposite of what they did. I guarantee they probably did something silly. Patrick, come let me trade at the desk. Why? Why? How much money do you make in a month? $500,000. $500,000 a month. I can literally hear the engine of the Escalade there. I think it's loud. Why did she leave Canada? I don't know. You ever been to Canada? Who the fuck wants to live in Canada? Fucking Justin Trudeau. Exactly. Have you lived in Canada? Ask, wonder. America, baby, way better. America, way better. As you own. Take it back. I mean, I'm just telling the truth. I don't think, I mean, there's not really a lot of reasons to want to live in Canada. I mean, it's not, I'm not saying it's not beautiful, but I mean, I think there's more to living somewhere based on the beauty. Gold prospecting. Canada's gonna become the next state in America. Canada. I don't know it. I've been to some hockey games recently and they were playing the Canadian anthem. All right, so like I said, Tradeify right now, I think the trade, if you use the code PW, it's actually 40% off, somebody said. I don't know for sure, but it says 30% off here, but it might be 40% off if you use the code PW. And by the way, the code PW gets you the best deals at every single prop firm out there. So like think to yourself. PW. It's only 2 letters. 2 letters, people. 2 letters. All right, here's the big question. Let's do this question. Which one are you picking? The Aventador or the STO? And no, you can't say some other stupid guy. Ooh, damn, a lot more love for the Aventador. A lot more love for the Aventador. Hey, Daniel, you know what's funny about Scott? Every single one of those cars that he bought are literally the biggest, like they're terrible cars. Like, but those aren't even cool cars. He bought a Maserati. Like, ain't nobody thinking that fucking Maseratis are cool. Nobody. No one's thinking that. That just proves that Scott literally was a loser. The event, wow, everyone's liking the Aventador a lot more. Damn. That little bull flag kind of setting up here. I'm like, fuck. $30-minute chart right now, 15-minute chart. All right, wow. I guess I can just sell the fucking Huracan. You guys just love the Aventador way more. Wow. So much for the fucking twin turbo Huracan. That was a bad investment. I think people just like when the doors go up. I'm the Batman, motherfucker. I'll leave it like this. Doors up. I will say the Aventador definitely has a little bit more style to it. You know, V12. V12, baby. Got the doors popped. Got the doors popping. Oh, the battery will die. No, I'll leave that bitch open all day. How's it like driving? It's terrible to drive, to be honest. The Aventador is terrible. It's not terrible. It's just, it's hard to drive. It's hard to drive. It's also like the shifting and just everything. It's hard. The Porsche is mucho better. Porsche 911, very fun driving car. It's like driving it's like driving in a simulator, as funny as that sounds. Very, very easy, very intuitive. Everything about the Porsche is like, it's built for driving, where the Lamborghinis are just built to look cool and be loud. They're like raging bulls, you know, like they're fast, but they ain't that fun to drive. So I think we got to get some type of pullback here, man. Like, I've got a pullback. Oh God. The Aventador. Hey, if you've watched the course, you know that the market loves to move in waves. And if you look here, it's kind of like, yeah, possibly pull back, you know, like, I don't know. I'd say like if you're looking for like a breakout long, we get above that 400 level and then maybe we get a little squeezy again. Let's see what this candle does here on the 2-minute chart. Kind of like through this 400 level, we try to push up. I don't know. I'm watching it. But I'm not really in any type of rush here. No rush. Like we said earlier this morning, patience. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays. Are you in a trade? I am not in a trade. Right now, sitting on my hands. You tried the SUV Lambo? I did. I've driven the Urus or whatever the fuck you call it. The Escalade is honestly a lot more fun to drive, as funny as that sounds. Like the Escalade, the V, it's got 650 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and it's a lot bigger. You can fit a lot more people in it. Where was your first long entry today? First long entry. Where was it? Let's see. I think it was... Well, I actually took a short here this morning. So I took a short. We talked about this 40 area break-in for that move down at open. Took that short there, 39 into the 14s. Take my 20 points. And then we got this breakout back through the 21 EMA up here to the 73s. Took this at the 300 break for another little 10 points there. So I don't need big moves to make big money, right? I just lock them in and rock it out. Get a traditional muscle car and put a blower on it. Just won't be cool. It's Miami, bro. Nobody cares about muscle cars in Miami. I know it sounds bad, but it's just not it. Not it. Do you have a Raptor? I don't have the Raptor. I bought a Ford F-250 turbo diesel. I'm not actually in Miami, but I'm in Pompano Beach, like North Fort Lauderdale. Get a Civic Type R. Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna buy. A fucking Civic. All right, 21 EMA. Trying to hold up here, support right now. We've been holding this 21 EMA. I'll be watching this 400 area. If this thing starts percolating. The high earlier, we've only made a high of 407. So we break through 400. I'd be looking, let's look. Looking at the 4-hour chart, you've got like 433 there next. 440s there. But again, we're running into this downward channel that we've been hitting since December, basically, since all-time high. So might need more pullback. More pullback here. Does seem a little exhausted at this top now. You can see how the market's kind of changing in overall character here. It's changing in the character here. See what happens here at 10:50 if we get a nice little move going into the London close here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. We're here every day live. I will not be here tomorrow. I will not be here Friday, by the way. I know it sounds funny, but I won't be here tomorrow. I won't be here Friday because I have a big fishing tournament that I got to go. I got to go to the fishing tournament. So I got to win some money. I got about $500,000 on the line for my fishing tournament. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
And take.
Fishing, 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 fishing. Look at that boat. I gotta put a video on the Twitter on my boat. So that way I can show my Lamborghinis and the boat. You know, like I'm just that rich, man. People think I'm poor, but I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm so fucking rich, man. All right, NASDAQ. I see how we're like the bulls are they're playing around with a 21 EMA. Another push here through the 380s again. Fuck. All right, I think we're gonna make a new high here sooner than later. Now I just like want to get a better entry. Fucking A. Now it's just, are you kidding? Look at this candle right now. Just wanting to go straight up here. Watching this candle here. Fuck. Needed this like candle to like pull back here again. Now we're gonna just go straight through 400s. What a silly Billy. Give me like a little pullback here, NASDAQ. All right, I'm gonna take a little long here, see if we can't get a push through and make a new high sooner than later. I want this to happen pretty quick. Long from the 390s. We'll see if this is gonna pay. Oof. There's that pullback into the 380s. 21 EMA trying to hold up there. A little bit more patience on that. Oh, God. Playing around with this up here right now. We needed that. See, I should have waited for another little pullback here and then got that little bull flag above this 380 area. I don't really want this below 360s here for my stop. We'll give it a little bit of room. There's that pullback we should have waited for. All right, well, we're in the trade, so we'll see. Need this 380 area to hold and then take me higher. Oof. I don't like it. This is going back to Victoria saying walk away. This would have been a good time to walk away. $380's trying to hold up. Still holding there at the 21 EMA for now. This 2-minute candle about to close here. Let's just get right through that 400 area there next. If we break through 400s, I'm moving my stop to break even, basically. So I just don't want this to rip through there and then pull back on me. Needs to go. Needs to go. Just stuck there. Stuck below that 390 here, right on my entry now. My entry now turning into resistance. Classic. Another little like mini kind of bull flag. We get through 390s, take out 400s, up in here 420, 440s possible, but now going into this 11 o'clock hour here. It's funny too, because I said I wanted this to happen quick. Ugh. Stop is so close. Just no gusto. Problem with trying to get the top here. Luckily, we're still very much green on the day here. Just taking a little burner there. We got like 5 minutes until 10:50. We'll see what happens here at 10:50. Maybe get an over pullback and then the rip. I mean, now we pretty much know if we get through this 400 level, then we're primed up. We're primed up. watching it here. Came down there just to stop me out. Now it's going to reverse back up. Classic. Classic. Five-minute chart here. I made one fatal error. You know, the one fatal error here is just the fact that, like, just these 5-minute candle, not looking at the bigger time frame here, trying to get above those previous highs. 15-minute candle showing us as well that 400 level right there, 21,400. It's not working out there, but she wants more. Where are all the other traders? Well, we're still kind of just dialing everything in. We literally just launched this thing last week, so give me some time, you know? There's no rush. BDH, we will survive. We will grow. We will grow. This is just the beginning, my friends. Just the beginning. It's very difficult. It's not easy to just find traders off the street. Like, you know, like where do you go to find traders at? Is there a good website to find traders? What does BDH mean? Big Dick House. I don't know how many times I got to say it. It's very simple. BDH, Big Dick House. NASDAQ. What you gonna do? This is my boat. We can look at my boat. While we wait for the market news on here. This is my boat. Somebody filmed it on YouTube and put it out there. Wavy boats. But the key here, the key that we need to focus on is the ratio, right? There's me driving the boat. There's Victoria. There's our friend. And there's two more girls in the back. Ratio, good. Ratio on point. That's how we do it in the BDH, baby. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's huge. Patrick, why you need a boat that big? Because I like to party. I like to party. Get the cigar guy on Top Step TV. I don't know if I want him. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, Top Step just got short at 21,345. So should we go long? Just go long here. Are you strictly one index trader? Yes, we only trade the NASDAQ around here. Hey, you know, sometimes a broken clock is right twice a day, so. What about a 10-point move so far? Need to see some bounce here on this 350. I mean, on the 15-minute chart, right? Like, I want to see this candle show some bounce. Right now, the 15-minute candle just sitting at the bottom of that range there, at the bottom of the 15-minute candle. So I want to see like a reaction, you know, like a wick back up here on the 15-minute chart. See that reaction here. We need reactions. Javier Tierra said final target 21,000. You funny. You are funny. Javier. You really calling out 21,000 for final target today? That what you're calling out? You gotta love it. Have fun and enjoy. What if it doesn't hit 21,000? Uh-oh. 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 You know, like when a little kid do something bad, like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here's another push up here again. Another push up. Nice little 30, 40 point push. Top step short at the 345s. Not bad. Good risk reward there all day, baby. Hey, Patrick, how often you get storms and flooding? Not very often. It's not like a normal thing that we get storms and flooding in Florida. You know, you might get a hurricane here and there, but it's not like an everyday occurrence. What's up? You want to show them these chairs? We can do those chairs that are over there. There's boxes of them. There's 3 of them. What are you doing? All right, NASDAQ. I think it can. I think it can. Best areas in Florida, probably like Fort Lauderdale area, honestly. How'd you get into trading? I watched Wolf of Wall Street. That was kind of like that's how I got excited about it, honestly. Wolf of Wall Street, man. I was like, I want to be Leonardo DiCaprio. Should have faded the top step. 345 short. Oh, why? I told you, just do the exact opposite. It always works. It always works. Right here, right now. It's going to happen. NASDAQ, prime and ready. Primed and ready. Patrick, you always say to buy low, sell high. Yeah, no, I mean, that's kind of the theory on trading. Best theory out there. Time for Chipotle. They open in 4 minutes. I think they actually open a little early. They open before 11 now, I think. I'm gonna drive the Aventador. The Aventador. I'm gonna drive the Aventador to Chipotle. Get my Chipotle fast, real fast. All right, NASDAQ still having trouble. We're hitting that little trend line. I put the little yellow line on the chart, and now it's turned into resistance. Who would have thought? I like when people in the chat said, I've suggested to go short. Okay, congratulations. Very nice. Good for you. It's great to hear. Patrick, I suggest that you go short. Okay. I suggest that you keep your opinion to yourself. How do I identify if it's a top? I don't. How does anyone identify? Obviously not looking too good right now on these pullbacks. We got the 5-minute chart. We can see that 77 area, 80 area now being resistance there. Wick. 21 EMA down there at the 28s. This pivot point right there, 1750. Patrick, are you red today? Yes. I've lost everything and I have no money left. Please help me. Please donate by hitting the like button. It's all over for me. I'll never be able to financially recover from all the green. All the green. I will. How will I ever do it? NASDAQ again pulling back here, 340s. I love watching the guy on Top Step, Jerome, him just staring like straight up. Look at him staring. Anybody else seeing this? He's just staring, just staring at it. They're up $2 on the day. That's not bad. You're short from 21,200. That's not good. That is not good. 21,200, like all the way down here. You might be all right. Well, you just look at it. You just gotta look at it, man. Just me and my Lambos hanging out. Just me and my Lambos hanging out together. Why does nobody else have an office as cool as this? I don't understand. All right, here we are pulling back into this pivot point here. 11 o'clock. Oh my. Oh, 11 o'clock just shot it to the moon. 20 points straight up off that pivot point. Oh. My Lord, look at this thing. Oh. $40 points off the 320s now, right at that pivot point there. Oh, Lord. Pivot points love to be touched. Ugh. Now we're just kind of chopping around here. The best is when Hogue called Jerome Mohammed yesterday. Whoops. Imagine world. I am new to your channel. I'm loving it. Please, next time when you're in a trade, can you show us? Yeah, no problem, man. I got you. No problem. I'll come to your house too if you want, and I'll sit on your lap and I'll press the buttons for you. And we'll talk about the first thing that pops up. Jerry Thomas, the support and resistance. It's not support resistance, it's pivot points. Jerry, like, guys, if you spam the fucking chat, it doesn't make me want to answer the question anymore. Now I just ban, I'm going to ban you. You know, like you're just like, you're wasting your time. Banned. I mean, I think above 370s, we got a pivot point up there at the 480s. I mean, we haven't got too far into the 400s here. You know, I'm just not trying to fight the trend. I would like to not fight the trend. You know, it's kind of like my goal in life, to not fight the trend. 15-minute chart, ripping back up here. Samuel, Patrick, you're a legend in the sport. Keep up the good work, and you're helping others. Oh, man. I'm so lucky. Not only do I get to entertain, but I get to help. Doing God's work over here. Doing God's work. Yeah, the pivot points that I use are the standard pivot points. Oh, that was funny. Traditional, it's traditional, not standard. What time frame do you trade? I don't really trade a time frame. I trade the markets, man. It's all the same shit. You know, you look at the 1 minute chart, it's the same places where the price is at the same spot as it is on the 15-minute chart. Look at the 5 minute chart, the price is still the same price. Look at the 2 minute chart, still the same price. Look at the 1 minute chart, market's still the same price. Can you entertain us or something? I'm working on it. I'm trying to look for a long here, possibly. Organic Garden started trading last year and found you in September. Now my trading skills are sharper than ever. Man, gotta love that. Love to hear it. All right, NASDAQ, it's your chance to do something. We're running into that trend line now. Top Step still short from the, or wait, they're short on crude and they're short on the NASDAQ, I think. Come on. Come on. This market wants it higher. GT3 RS, the best to drive. Pretty good to drive, to be honest. Pat, have you thought about getting Dung Du? I don't know what happened to Dung Du, man. I gotta find Dung Du. If anybody is a private investigator, want to help me find Dung Du, where is he? He disappeared from the face of the earth. Does Top Step traders lose on purpose? No, I think they're just bad. Like, cause you know, it's actually hard to lose on purpose. You know, like it's not easy. Have you ever tried to lose on purpose? It's actually hard. What's the best supercar for a beginner? Well, first off, if you're a beginner driver, don't buy a supercar. Buy like a fucking Honda Civic. All right, we are officially breaking through here. I want to see this 70, 80 area get taken out, and then we look for a long. Do you use auto trend line? No. I'm still old school, man. Still waiting here. Hello, Patrick. I'm a beginner trader. I would like to know, what is the best supercar to buy as a day trader? Well, I'd have to say, don't buy any of them, because you're probably going to lose all your money. Why long and not short? I might be wrong, but I might be right too. We'll find out. Just kind of watch it. It doesn't really matter. I've already kind of made all my money today, so I'm not really aggressively trading this. Just kind of watching the markets here. Again, getting denied there at our yellow line. Normally I walk away by now. 11 o'clock is kind of when I walk away here, but just kind of hanging out with you guys a little bit longer. We'll give it like 10 more minutes to see if something happens here. But right now, just waiting. Blake said that he's been following my trades and winning, and now his wife's boyfriend will let him go in the house. Well, congratulations on that. I'm happy for you. Get Danny Trades in your office. No, thank you. That kid is literally the biggest joke in the world. NASDAQ pulling back here. This 15-minute candle right there, nasty. If we lose, obviously lose that 320 area, you got the VWAP down there at the 46s. Smoky Bear trades. Let me in the BDH. I'll prove my status. Okay. Sounds good. Sellers are taking over again here. If they get, like I said, get below this pivot point here. You got the ES, got the VWAP on the ES at that 61 level, kind of pull back into there. What would make you swap to getting bearish? Getting below the VWAP maybe would be where I'm looking for shorts. I know people are gonna be like, but Patrick, you should get short here now. It's totally fine. I'm just like, I'm a pretty firm. I try to like play into the idea of not getting short above the VWAP. You know, I might miss out on a short. It might go lower, hit the VWAP, totally fine. But I try to just like stop myself from shorting if we're above the VWAP. Javier, new target now, 20,982. Okay, he's just getting it, making it lower. Making his target lower and lower here. I like it. That 15-minute candle. Ooh. Again, kind of looking at this 15-minute chart, you can see we just have not broken above the previous 15-minute candle for a breakout. Whereas this move at open, we break above, we keep breaking, we keep making new highs, and kind of this tells me like, hey, just stay out of it. You know, look at the hourly chart. This is hard to get short up here. And again, you know, it's my my personal preference. If you guys like to get short above the VWAP and try to get a move down to the VWAP, totally fine. It does not. People think that I get like upset because people trade differently or people want to get short. It's not personal. I really don't care either way. I just know from my experience as a trader, it's better for me to try to stay out of shorting until, you know, until it really presents itself as a short. $21 EMA right now, giving us some trouble there. Just trying to stay alive, man. Trying to stay alive. Trying to stay alive here. You know, haters gonna hate, players gonna play, sicken it every day. Still holding up here. The bulls, like I said, just I'm not overly bearish. I might 100%. I'm totally fine with being wrong here. People are gonna be like, Patrick, it's a short. It's totally fine. You can see here, this is the journal, the new feature with Tradeify, or I don't know if it's a new feature, but they got new stuff coming out. This is my journal, trading 5 straight to funded Tradeify accounts right now. If you use my code, I think it's 40% off for that. If you want, check them out. Use the code PW. PW gets you the best deals always. But this is 3 days of trading, 3 days of trading. And we're sitting at about a 75% win-loss ratio. And yeah, I mean, we made 11,000 on Friday. We made 15,000 on Monday, 16,000 on Tuesday, and then we made 10,000 today. So I'm going to do a full video breakdown of this later on, but you can see what's funny is like my average win-loss ratio or my average win-loss trade, very 1-to-1, right? So obviously my winners are a little larger. My losers could be a little smaller, but the focus here is the fact that, hey, I'm right 75% of the time. So I can be profitable with a 1-to-1 risk reward. And again, like we talked about before, it's not to say that you have to trade a certain way or you need to trade like me or any of that stuff, but you know, this is trading, my friends. Yeah, and all those trades are calculated. It's all 5 accounts. That's kind of the nice thing as well with the journal for Tradeify is you can actually look at all 5 of your trading accounts together. So here we go. NASDAQ again, trying to push. Trying to push. Market makers are holding that little yellow line. John said, imagine we hit 50 points on the longs together and then smooched. You want to smooch me, bro? The headquarters looking pretty empty. I mean, most of the people that work for me work from home and they don't need to come into the office and listen to me yelling and screaming on the live stream. So again, we're still very new into this, trying to find the hottest, the latest, the greatest, but there's no rush. I'm not like dying to get bad traders here. When the right traders present themselves, then we'll have them in here. Pat, how many points do you normally try to make? I take 20, 30 points. Market denied at our little yellow line once again. going nowhere quickly. Will this be the final nail in the coffin? Patrick, why don't you sell online and buy at the bottom? Ugh. If only it was that easy. Maybe it is. Maybe I'm overcomplicating it. What time to go live at? 9 a.m. every morning. Not tomorrow, though. By the way, tomorrow we will not be live. I got a fishing tournament Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Trying to win some money, baby. I'm trying to win some money. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do you miss your Audi? Which Audi? The A7 that I had like 10 years ago? Hopper Stone Mason, do you ever catch D's when you're out fishing? What, catch D's nuts? Like my nuts in your fucking face? Yeah, you thought you were funny, you thought you were gonna get me? I'll be like, what's D's? Yeah, no, I know. You can't come at me with your little fucking terrible trolls. I created this game. I am the king of the trolls. Invite Michael Patak. I mean, we could if you want. We can try it. You know, let me know. We can try it. I don't know if he'd want to come though. I don't know if he'd want to come to the BDH. He might have a little peepee. You know, you gotta have a big dick. I heard TJR's prop firm went out of business. Is that I haven't seen a lot about it, but what was it? One of one funding? Did they close? Did you ever catch a fish with Ligma? No, but lick my nuts. Come on, you're not going to get me. There's nothing to get me on. I'm too good at this shit. Yo, Patrick, with Apex, you need 8 days of green. No, you don't need 8 days of green. Hell yeah, Jerome. Well, Top Step's killing it over there, like always. Barack says that he's got a 2-inch dick and his wife's got an 8-inch dick. Well, you know, hey, that's cool. Whatever you're into, bro. Well, the market has just decided to sit right here at this level and consolidate. After that huge move up this morning, we made some money. We locked it in. I don't know. Do I just keep on trading or do I walk away? Do I walk away here? I'm pretty happy with it, but I could keep trading it. I don't know. Good keep trading. But like I said, Tradeify, I think it's, somebody said it was 40% off if you use the code PW. It might still be bugging from the last time we did this, but Tradeify straight to funded accounts. I've been trading these accounts because it's nice, right? So with the Tradeify accounts, I've been trading these accounts for 4 days now, and we're up a little over $10,000 per account, like right around 10,000. Averaged it out. So that would be about $50,000 in the last 4 days of trading. And, you know, it's funny because people always think like, oh, man, I got to get rich with big moves. But you don't need big moves. Give me 10 points. Give me 20 points. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that. Give me them points, you know, and then just walk away. Do it every day. Especially with Tradeify, they got a 20% consistency rule. So the 20% consistency rule, it's like, I don't need to have fucking $20,000 days per account. You know, give me that $2,000 a day, lock it in, and make it happen. Sergio Lee, Patrick, I won the giveaway and your team doing nothing with it. Did you win the Take Profit account or did you win the Tradeify account? So pretty much 20 accounts, 10 points, good commercial for prop firms. I mean, play the game. And again, the NASDAQ ripping up here. Are we going to finally break out? Or is it going to happen? I've been waiting for something to look juicy here. I don't know. Do I go for it? Do we go for the long here? Just go for the long. YOLO. Got to get through that. We'll be looking for that 370 area pretty much to get through. She's a pushing. That 345 area where Top Step shorted at, that was the spot to get long at, clearly. And just chopped it right back down there again to that 340 area. Good Lord. Which one of you assholes put a yellow line on the chart? Are you going to start a prop firm? I don't think so. I don't hope so. It would be nice to have the CEO of Take Profit to come. I did. I reached out to him. I told him, ride the train down, ride the bright line. He's in Orlando. Ride the train down. I'll pick him up in the Lambo, bring him to the BDH, put him on the live, you know? I think that'd be cool. That'd be cool, right? Wow, NASDAQ just again, right back. Just chop city here. He will start a prop firm. I'm not going to start a prop firm. I am not starting a prop firm. Everybody in the chat, if people think I'm going to, I'm not going to. I have no reason to start a prop firm. It's way too much work. I like making easy money. Holy good Lord. Just chop city here. Again, just holding right there. On the 21 EMA 5-minute chart. Market is just refusing to move now. We've been stuck here for about 30, 40 minutes. Market just refusing. Or like kind of that last 5-minute candle is just like very indecisive, but we're wicking, so. It's a lot of wicks to play with here. A lot of wicks to play with here. Oh, buddy. After that big move this morning, market just in the holding pattern now. Look at all my big screens here. Big screens, big profits. I mean, obviously, if we lose this 320 area, probably not good for the bulls here, but they have been protecting it now for quite some time. Ooh. The moment of truth here now. Moment of truth. Watching it here. They're losing that 320 area pretty quickly. Will they just dump it down? VWAP down there at the 54s. Not looking good. Not looking good for the bulls here. Yeah, I think the bulls are done. Now we pull back more. Pull back into that VWAP next. There's the dumpy dump. Through the 320s now, about 40 points to the downside to the 380s. NASDAQ. Heading on down there to the VWAP. There it is. All right. Well, I don't really want to sit around here and wait to see what happens next. That was kind of the move to the downside through that 320 area right down there. Getting into that VWAP. See if the buyers try to come in here on that VWAP area, but there it is. Two-minute chart as well. Had that false breakout to the upside, the pullback here. You gotta love it. It's so much fun. All right. I think I'm gonna go to Chipotle. Go Chipotle here. Come back. Well, I won't be here tomorrow. Actually, should we? Maybe I'll. Depending on what I do today, I might do a power hour later. Maybe we'll see. If I'm live, I'll be live. If I'm not, I won't. So I will talk to you guys later on next week. Like I said, I'm going to do a little recap, a little video with the trade journal showing the Tradeify accounts, how they've been going so far. And yeah, pretty good with that. On the day right now, up over a little over $10,000 in those Tradeify accounts. And it's funny because like we literally have not placed a trade since 9:40 this morning in these accounts. I don't know if that's a funny thing or a bad thing, but how did that happen? Why? You see the Tradeify accounts sitting in the green here. All these accounts now up over 10,000, and we're happy with that. So I'll take it, and I'm gonna go to lunch. Chipotle, 11:30, baby. Chipotle. I'll see you guys next Monday. We'll be back here for Mega Money Mondays. Hopefully I'll be rich with a big old fishing check next for that. So big fishing. I want a big old check to put on the wall at the BDH. I need a big old check. Where should we put the check at? Big check somewhere right here. I don't know. We'll find out. So there it is. I won't be trading tomorrow because I got a fishing tournament on Thursday, Friday. So I'll be back Monday. And yeah, we're doing it live at the BDH. It's a good time to be alive. Locking in the profits. And yeah. It's funny because like I know people in the chat were talking about the short, and it's like, yeah, it played out. It's just sometimes you gotta just trade what you got, and so you'll miss out. Sometimes you're gonna miss out on trades. People like they think that they got to get every single trade in the market, every single move, and it's like you don't. You don't have to try to trade every little move. Just trade what you got. Make your profits, walk away. I mean, it's 11:30. Normally, by 11:30, I would be done. I'd be done trading. So I'm out of here. I'm gone. I'm going to go drive my Lamborghini around. And there it is. So, all right. Peace of the Middle East. Again. Where is it at? Tradeify, it's 40% off, possibly, maybe 30 for the sim funded accounts, and then 50% off for the expert or the growth accounts. So look at this NASDAQ now. There's going to be another bear flag here to move down to the VWAP. We'll find out. There it is. Peace to the Middle East.